Hello, this is YK Prakash. Today I want to show you a video of how I repaired my grandson's auto rickshaw toy. This is a recording of the actual repair I had done. The repair it so happened took me some time, so this is going to be a long video. Please excuse me for that. Now you can see the repair from the beginning. So this is the auto rickshaw or something we simply call auto. Okay, so nothing is broken. I want to repair this. Is it on or not? So this side is on. Okay, this side is off. So let me operate and see. Nothing is happening and this button is stuck. I don't know what kind of button we have. We may have to replace it. So let me see if I can replace it. Okay. So I'll first open this and see what can be done. Okay, one screw holding the battery compartment. Okay. Oh, there is one inside the battery compartment, one screw inside the battery compartment. Ah! Okay, one, two. Why the screw is so tight? Okay, anyway, here is the circuit. Okay. I can hear the flip of the switch. Whereas this one is not flipping, it got stuck. This switch got stuck. So okay, I've soldered it. Only thing is I removed this PCB so that I can handle it more freely. See the switch, the original switch is having a taller stem, whereas the switch I have is having a very small stem. Okay, but anyway, I don't have a choice. I soldered whatever I have. Okay, now okay, it sits like this. So now first I'll have to solder this, then I can screw them up. This antenna also has to go there, somewhere here like this. This antenna also has to go somewhere here like this. So first of all, let me solder this. Luckily plus minus are, somebody has scratched there, not marked. Okay. Now let me fix it. So that's how it has to go. The screw, keep it inside. And then tighten it. So maybe I'll have to push it a bit hard when I close it. Okay. Can I make it sit more better? Let me check. These are all the problems we will encounter whenever we do such work. Right? Loosen it slightly. Don't loosen fully. Okay. Yeah, maybe this way it is better. Yeah, see? I think it is better this way. Yes. Tighten this. Oh, okay. There is a groove here. There is a groove here and there is a tag here. So we will have to keep it like this. So there is a groove here and there is a tag here. We will have to keep it like this. Tab. So this is the way. Now let me fix it properly. Now I hope everything will be fine. Okay, now let me check. Tick, 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 tick. Very good. Very good, very good. So now let me fix back these 3 screws. These 2 and 1 hidden behind this. Okay, but I would also like to check these voltages. Let me see whether it's working. No, that is not the problem. So the stuck up key we were able to replace, but that is not the problem. So let me see if batteries are okay. So which way is it going? So it is 3.02 also. So we'll have to go to the auto. Okay. Let me check whether the auto's batteries are okay. Oh, this one, this press. Oh, it is taking three batteries. It needs 3 batteries. So let me check them individually whether they are okay. Point 6. 0.4. 0.7. My dear, batteries are completely down or what? Okay, let me first open this. How do I open this? 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws. This is for the battery lid. Okay. I really like this auto. It works very efficiently and smoothly also. Running is smooth. Design is also very simple. Only one motor here and just a guiding caster kind of wheel here. This is only for show off. Looks like it is always better to remove them completely. Oh, this on this. So let me fix this battery lid. So that I won't forget it. Okay. Now I can keep it outside. So that's how it is. I think I should take it out fully. It has come out. Okay. Now this is the stuff. Let me remove just for the sake of observation. We'll remove this and see what is happening. Okay. So some kind of a circuit. 40 megahertz, I think. Only 40 megahertz. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to repair all these PCBs and all that. Maybe these batteries got drained because it was in on condition for 10-15 days. Okay, so here is my variable power supply adjusted to 4.35 or so, roughly 4.5, which is equivalent to the voltage supplied with 3 batteries. This side is plus, right? I need to be careful because both my clips are red in color. Okay, this side is black color. So that's it. So I supplied. Is it on? Oh, hardly visible, man. Now it is on. Okay. Now let me check the voltage once. .3 it is. Okay. Now, what can I do? I will operate and see. Woo! It is working. Wow, man, that's great. So, batteries were the problem, and then that stuck up switch was the problem. So, I did not like the wiring, so I removed the connections to the LED, which I don't think is superficial. So, red wire from positive, following color code. Then I removed wires going to LED. I've done this. I think this screw is loose. This antenna will not work properly. Let us tighten this. That could be one of the reasons for intermittent working. Let me keep it straight. Now let me guide this. It has to go through that hole. That's pretty nice. We have to make sure we don't lose screws. So here I am with batteries. Let me replace with the same type. Nothing wrong in that. Bit tough to go inside. Okay. So this one here, this flap goes here. I think this is my own screw, big screw. Now let me try my luck. Oh, not working. Oh, what's happening? All kinds of problems, right? So once you start repairing, you will face all kinds of issues. So from here, from negative, let me start. Okay, let me start from negative 1.6. From here, this negative to positive. See, there is no contact, I think. Oh. So from here I'm going. Sorry, this is DC volts. So this is 1.6, 3. Now it is making contact. 3, 4.7. Okay. Now will it work? Oof. Now it is working. I think some contact problem also. These batteries, Duracell batteries, even there is no standardization even in the sizes of these cells. I think this is horrible. Okay, and these go very loose. So that is a demonstration video of how to repair a defective toy. I am happy that I was able to do it successfully, and I am happy that I am able to share with the public these details of how to repair a toy. Thank you very much for watching. Your comments are welcome.